Yeah. Pretty. Oh.
Love the loud ones. May not be all pretty.
Bright and loud. Those things are machine guns.
Dad.
Yeah.
That was cool.
There's still lights going on there. Score. Look at all the red lights though.
I don't know.
They look like little aliens.
Was that it?
Yes.
Really? That was Taco. Was that it? Really?
She said Haley and True.
It's Taco.
Come on, another 10 grand.
Is it? What? Wow.
Nice.
It was. Yeah. I mean, it was not. All those red lights are gone. Well, I got it all on tape.
See?
Exactly 10 o'clock.
He's saying Haley and True.
Oh, come on.
10 o'clock.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, look,
Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh, crap.
Dumbasses. That just shot across the field.
Ah, that one did too.
That shot across the field, bounced off the ground, and went off.
Yeah, and it shot over here too, to the right.
They need to give